Okay, guys, so this is Deer Slayer TV 30. Yesterday I did the fishing pole stuff. I told you I had a package coming from Amazon. I had unboxed it, so my package came today. This is from Easy UVITA, Easy to Enjoy Fishing Gear, or Easy to Enjoy Fishing 7-piece fishing toolkit. Fishing is not just a sport, it's a way of life, which is very true. It comes from China, out of um, Shanghai, China. So what you get is you get a very nice, I'm guessing 7 inch, I think. I think this is about 7 inches. Fillet knife. So there's the fillet knife, guys. And it's sharp out of the box. I don't know how it seems pretty flexible by me just doing that. So I really like this fillet knife, and I really like how it comes with the hard case. And it says the company's name right there through a clear little plastic window, and I like the grip on that knife. It's got the anti-slip grip on it. I really enjoyed that. So there's the fillet knife. Then it comes with a pair of these things, the fish grabbers or grippers. Seem like they're all made of plastic, but they do have metal studs in them, so they seem like they'll work pretty good. So there's those. And I will be going trout fishing at some point today, and I will try to get some footage for you guys, me using all this stuff. Then it does come with a pair of pliers here. With a sheath that's connected to it. So here are the pliers here. If I can figure out how to open them. Oh, they have a locking device on them. So that's so you can remove hooks out of trout. They're kind of like forceps size. I would not use these for catfishing, but I definitely will use them for trout fishing and bass fishing, to remove hooks. They do have these split shot things on it. I don't know what the other stuff's on it is, but they definitely have the split shot closers so you can mash down weights, and open up split shot to get off of your line if it's non-reusable, and O-ring splitters. So definitely like these, and they do, like I said, they do have that little locking piece right there to keep them closed. I like that. And pliers. So there's the pliers. And then the last thing it comes with is scissors. And then it also comes with a retractable belt loop clip thing here that you can put your scissors on, put your fish grabbers on. I think this is retractable. I have to figure out how to pull it. I thought this was retractable, but I guess it isn't. I guess it's not, but you can clip them to your belt. Then it comes with another lanyard here, a bungee lanyard. So most likely what I'll do is this here. Clip this to this so I can pull it up off of my belt loop and grab my fish grabbers or grab my scissors. The pliers already come with this. They also have the belt loop right there in the back. My fillet knife also has a belt thing on it, but I'm not carrying this with fishing. This will stay at my house. Because I've got everything else right here. So that's all that comes in that little kit. I think it was like $20 on Amazon. For everything. They have more expensive kits if you want to order more stuff. But they do come with little line scissors here to cut your fishing line. And that's great. So I'm going to get this stuff rigged up, show you how I do it. First of all, I have to figure out how this little clip works on here. The first one, and then I have to figure out how to put the O-ring on my... So they just come open, you slide the scissors on there, right like that. Then you press it back in, and you close it. That trim's pretty strong there. Now for the fish grabbers, I guess you can either hook them up here, or you can hook them back here. I'm going to hook them back here to this. And in order to do that, I am going to use my O-ring opener on my pliers here. Just because I do have a hurt hand and I don't want to injure it more. Now that I've got it split open enough, okay, I don't think that's going to split apart. But that's how it goes, guys. And then, like I said, these close back up like this. And those go right back in there. And now I'm ready to go trout fishing today. Just like that, before the Super Bowl. I'm going to head out here to the city lake here in a couple minutes and get ready to go catch some trout. So there's my setup with my line cutters, my fish grippers. I'm taking my net too. But then that's how this looks, guys. And I'm pretty sure I could even do this if I wanted to. Clip them all on one hook. So all my tools are together and it's only on one side of my body. I am going to clip this up though, right like that. And there's all your tools you need for fishing. All together. Catch you guys out there on the water. Bye.